Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening command prompt and confirming where you are. This matters because CD commands act relative to the current path. Type CMD in start and press enter. Once the window appears, run cd or echo %cd% to show the active folder. If you need elevated rights, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Otherwise, avoid it. This first step ensures you're operating from the correct location and prevents unexpected permission errors later. Now change directories using CD with either relative or absolute paths. Relative is quicker for nearby folders, while absolute avoids ambiguity. Type CD folder name to enter a subfolder and use CD to go up one level. To jump to a specific location, type CDC, /users /your name /folder, make sure backslashes are correct. If you see the system cannot find the path specified message, double-check spelling and spaces. Quoted paths help when named. Finally, switch drives or fix common issues. To change to another drive, type its letter and a colon, for example D. This only switches drives. To change drive and folder in one step, use cd/dc /path. Make sure to quote paths with spaces like C /my folder. If you get access denied or path not found errors, confirm the exact path, check folder permissions, and use quotes when needed. If that doesn't help, list the parent directory to inspect available names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.